What actually makes money work? Let us break down the history and function of currency in just 2 minutes. At its core, currency is just a tool we use to trade value without having to swap physical goods directly. Money serves three main roles. It acts as a medium of exchange, a standard unit of account, and a way to store value. Most modern money is fiat, meaning it has value because a government declares it legal tender and society trusts its purchasing power. Historically, money was tied to physical goods like gold. Today, our system relies on the stability of the issuing economy instead. The total amount of money in circulation changes over time as central banks manage the economy to balance growth and inflation. Remember that money is simply a social agreement. It functions only as long as we all agree it holds value. Understanding how money works is the first step toward better financial habits. Check back for more basics on personal finance.